All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So around. Around. So nearby to something or someone. It is around here somewhere. Around here somewhere. Around here. Not sure where. In amongst a place. In amongst a place or time. I was around the office. Let's change it here. I went around the world. Around the world, yeah. It has to be around here somewhere. Somewhere around here, yeah. We walked around the office, around the building. Around the building, yeah. They will see me around the library. I always see them around here. Not here, but around here. Yeah. How cool is that? I work around here. Not far. She wants to know what is around the area. He will go exploring around his city. Around here. They were all around there earlier. They were all around there earlier. Yeah. It was sent to me from around the world. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I saw her around there. We always see her around there. You're always studying around this time of the day. Around this time of the day. I'm always recording around this time of the day. Yeah. Around these days, I'm working and recording more lessons and working on my business and topics. Yeah. He needs to be around here, around there soon. Yeah. It will be around here now. It'll be around here now. Yeah. She wants to be around with us for the winter. Around with us for the winter. How cool is that? So around, nearby to something or someone, not far. And in amongst a place or time. Yeah. How cool is that? So around. Now, can you use around in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.